Would anyone like to do a tour of the room with me? Okay, so this is Stephanie.
No, this is Stephania.
Hey Stephanie, say hi.
Estefania.
Hi.
This is what we live with every day.
This is what we live with every day also.
Thank you. You're making a vlog?
I am. It's gonna be one take because I don't feel like splicing together videos. Okay, so splicing! This is our view! That's a parking lot right there. That's the law building. And that's a trash room. Woo! I just got locked out. Let me in! Please! That's brilliant. Brilliant movie maker right there.
I'm a genius. Evil genius at that.
This is the kitchen. Cute little kitchen. Not enough space to put food. Mama doing the dishes. Thing that's supposed to be recycling, except there's only one thing. That's all my crap. One bathroom, one bedroom. Of course. Living room. Dave and Buster's. And Friends was on. All those games and stuff and other things, and then that's Kate and Stephanie's room, and that's Kiara's bed, that's Sam's bed, that's my bed, and my dressers, and Kiara's Lady Gaga. My plants! I got that junior year of high school from Miss Hetrick. I think it was junior year. And it was like this big. This big. Sam's desk. And my desk. And my computer looks crazy. Facebook. And yeah. And our awesome closet. Anyways, so it has 3 doors that are all mirrors. 1, 2, 3, and then they slide. That's Sam's close. And that's my bed. And I don't know what else to show you. The view from out our window, pretty exciting. Exciting stuff. It's a parking lot! And that is the library, and you can't see it, but the church is out there. So yeah. And also, getting away from the noise, so this is a new phone. I wish it was touchscreen, but you know, had to save money. Keyboard, it's 7:20 p.m. and it like locks and whatever, so you don't like pocket dial. I shouldn't say butt dial. So yeah, the end. That's the camera. Okay, bye. So, sorry about the craziness of the tour. I think that, what was I gonna say? Oh, I'll show you the, like, outside view some other time. I'm sorry, I haven't made a vlog in so long. But it's been crazy. There's been a lot of things going on, but, it's fun. Senior year. Scary, but fun, and, yeah. Other things. I miss you, and I hope you guys get to come up here, together. I mean, mean, separately would be fine, because I want to see both of you. I want you guys to see campus and everything, but, together would be so much fun. I think that's all I have to say. If I have more, I'll probably tell you on Facebook or something. But I love you, and, yeah. I'll see you later. Oh, I'm working on the beach video, too, so, slowly but surely. But I am working on it. So I love you, and I'll show you this one last thing. You can't see, but our names are underneath. Each of our names are underneath all the Princess Jasmine. What's going on, Debbie? Yeah, about this. No gym tonight, no. Rabbit? No gym tonight. Yeah.
Now you can really go.
Rain happened in a matter of seconds. Seriously.
New York.
This is insane.
This is not, what is it,
And it's not even as bad as it was like a minute ago.
yeah. Before you can
Holy
even see the
crap.
trees.